Here's a tutorial on how to use custom ONNX models with Luxonis devices. You can do this easily by creating an account on Luxonis Hub. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Models tab and click the Add Model button. Then select Custom Model as the model type and enter its name. You can now upload your ONNX files to Luxonis Hub. For the best experience, upload your model as an NN archive instead of a raw ONNX file. This allows Luxonis Hub to automatically detect model settings and streamline the conversion process. In this example, we uploaded our custom-trained solder defect detection model, training of which we covered in a blog post linked below. We also added a thumbnail to make the model easier to identify. Next, click Add and wait for your model to be uploaded to Luxonis Hub. Once uploaded, it will show up in your team's models page. You'll now need to convert your model for the target RVC platform. Click Convert, then select the appropriate platform. Since we're using an OAK 4 camera, we chose RVC4. If you uploaded the ONNX NN archive, the remaining parameters should be auto-filled. To customize them or fill in missing values, see the documentation about conversion details linked below. Once the conversion process is complete, the compiled model will appear under the model variants list with the target platform. The easiest way to run the converted model is by using the generic example from our OAK Examples GitHub repository. After cloning the repository, go to its root directory, create and activate a virtual environment, and install the required dependencies. Next, run oakctl device list to find your device's serial number. Then, pass that serial number as the first argument to the main script in the generic example folder. You'll also need to pass the model reference identifier. You can find and copy it from the model page in Luxonis Hub. If you chose to make your model private, you'll also need to provide an API key. You can generate one in Luxonis Hub by navigating to API Keys and clicking Add New Key. Be sure to keep your API key private, as it grants access to all private models within your team. Once everything is configured, run the script and click the generated link to view the camera stream in your browser.